Hello, my name is Lucy Isabel Redín Villota. I live in Barbacoas, Nariño. I am 39 years old. I belong to the Business Administration Program, SEAD Pasto. I belong to Group 176. My favorite food is the chicken steak sancocho. My favorite cold drink is pineapple juice and water. My favorite sport is swimming in our beautiful river Telebin. My favorite movie is The Lion King. My favorite song is I Had the Right to Be Happy by Junior Gonzalez. We are affiliated to the National Savings Fund. We made a programmed saving to buy a home. After fulfilling all the protocols, we proved the credit and we were able to buy our first house. This photography is very special for me. I am with my husband. His name is Alfonso Ramiro Escobar. Taken in July of 2011. We were in the city of Cali Valle del Cauca, receiving the keys of our own home. We are in the Harding Plaza Shopping Center. We are very happy. We were buying some items for the new house. It was a magical moment when we were handed the keys, and for the first time, we were able to open the doors of our home. Having a home is not synonymous with wealth. By not having, it is synonymous with much poverty. Bye bye.